It's a single.
Am I good here?
Yes, she's going to come a little close to you when she jumps the coop, but that's fine. Great. Look left. Get a little off his back. Turn your head. Give. Help him. Good. Now stretch up. Look at the jump. Now think a little bit of a deeper ride. Great. Look right. There's your lead change. Stare at it. Look for it early. Easy. Outstanding. Now make him come right back to you. Halt. Just to prove you can. Halt. Good. Come over here. We're going to shorten your iron. No kissing or clucking. He's very broke, this one. Easy now. That's a better position. Easy. Great. Look, turn your head. Now be soft. Perfect. Give. Look. Start looking through your turn. Look at the coop. Easy. Oh, and I loved it. Look. There you go. Now left rein, outside rein, not inside rein. Stare at that jump. Outstanding!
Woohoo!
And walk and pat him.